To prevent someone from taking a screenshot of an image sent through WhatsApp, start by opening the WhatsApp app on your iPhone or Android device. Navigate to a chat, either individual or group, and select the camera icon to take a new photo or choose one from your gallery. After adding the photo, before sending it, locate the Add Caption area and tap the small one icon to the right. Enabling the View Once option ensures the recipient can only view the photo once and blocks any attempts to take a screenshot. Once this is set, send the image. When opened by the recipient, the photo will only be visible once and cannot be screenshotted.